Middle school students in East Flatbush are learning how to design sneakers with an online course being offered in public schools around the city.
News 12 Brooklyn's Johnny Caldwell has more.
Right here.
Students from Meyer Levin Junior High School in East Flatbush are exploring all angles of the sneaker business with the online program Sneaker Essentials.
It has given our students an opportunity to delve into something that's more hands-on, but academic without them even realizing that it's academics that they're doing. Applying literature and text to design and being hands-on all together is a model for success.
The program allows students to learn the ins and outs of making a sneaker with a curriculum that guides students to a career in footwear. Students combine that curriculum with books they read in class to come up with designs.
At first, I was like, maybe I want to be a dancer, but when my teacher, Miss Eileen, taught me how to make shoes and stuff like that, she taught us the toe cap and stuff, I was like, yeah, I might want to make shoes now.
When you can take what you've read, you're going to discuss it, you're going to write about it, but then design something. That's art. That's almost like an artist studying a topic and then creating an image. That's next level comprehension.
Once the students watch the online sneaker courses, they create a vision board outlining their design, and then their designs come to life. Teachers say that with the course, they're hoping to expose students to a career that many wouldn't get a chance to explore. In East Flatbush, Johnny Caldwell, News 12, Brooklyn.
To the end of the week. Well, our top story, African-American clergy and elected officials, they met with a Park Slope rabbi in the wake of a